table. Fresh ingredients come alive. Every color tells a story. Every flavor starts to shine. From a little spark of passion, something beautiful begins. Simple hands create the magic. Joy is found in every dish. Take your time, let it simmer. Every moment adds its touch. Love is always in the details, and that's what matters most. Made with love, made with laughter. Every bite becomes a memory. From the kitchen